The oil pressure warning light is one of the most critical indicators on your dashboard. When this red warning light appears, it means your engine's lubrication system has insufficient oil pressure to properly protect internal components. Normal oil pressure varies depending on engine speed. At idle, pressure typically ranges from 10 to 20 psi. During normal operation, it should be between 30 and 80 psi, though this varies by engine design. The warning light triggers when pressure drops below the critical threshold of 5 to 7 psi. The engine's lubrication system is a complex network that circulates oil throughout the engine. The oil pump draws oil from the sump and pushes it through passages to lubricate critical components like main bearings, connecting rod bearings, and other moving parts. When oil pressure drops, these components lose proper lubrication. Modern vehicles use sophisticated oil pressure monitoring systems. Advanced sensors communicate with the engine control unit to provide real-time data. Many newer vehicles can even send oil pressure alerts directly to smartphone apps, and some systems offer predictive maintenance warnings before critical issues occur. If the oil pressure warning light comes on, take immediate action to prevent severe engine damage. Pull over safely and stop driving immediately. Turn off the engine and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle. Then check the oil level using the dipstick and look for any visible oil leaks under the vehicle. Continuing to drive with low oil pressure can cause catastrophic engine failure. Remember, never ignore the oil pressure warning light. Taking immediate action when it appears can save you from thousands of dollars in engine repair costs and prevent complete engine failure. Low oil pressure can result from several different mechanical and electrical issues. Understanding the most common causes helps prioritize your diagnostic approach. Based on recent automotive service data, low oil level accounts for 35% of oil pressure warnings. This is typically caused by oil leaks from gaskets, seals, or overdue oil changes. Faulty oil pumps represent 25% of cases, while clogged oil filters account for 20%. Engine bearing wear affects 15% of cases, particularly in high-mileage vehicles. Sensor and electrical issues are less common at 5%. Engine bearing wear is particularly common in high-mileage vehicles. As bearings deteriorate, they create larger gaps that allow oil to leak internally, reducing overall system pressure. A clogged oil filter restricts oil flow throughout the engine. This commonly occurs when oil changes are overdue or when incorrect filter specifications are used. When the oil pressure warning appears, follow these systematic diagnostic steps to identify the root cause quickly and safely. First, immediately stop the engine and check the oil level using the dipstick. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle, then verify both the level and quality of the oil. If oil level is adequate, install a mechanical pressure gauge to test actual oil pressure. Normal readings should be 10 to 20 psi at idle and 30 to 80 psi at 2000 RPM. Finally, check the electrical system by testing sensor resistance, verifying wiring continuity, and scanning for diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD scanner. These systematic diagnostic steps help identify whether the issue is mechanical, such as low oil or pump failure, or electrical, such as a faulty sensor or wiring problem.